Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stopping Steam and ensuring Cloud Sync is disabled for Counter-Strike 2 so files don't overwrite. Next, find your Steam userdata folder under steam/userdata/your ID/740 and open local files. This is where config's live. Once done, copy the config folder to a backup location. This preserves defaults and lets you revert. Make sure you note which Steam account and numeric ID you're using, because the wrong folder yields no effect and lost changes. You now put your customized CFG files into the game's CFG directory, CSGO/CFG, or the CS2 equivalent path so the engine loads them. Open AutoExec CFG in a plain text editor and add binds, sensitivity, crosshair commands, and any launch options. These run automatically on startup. After saving, set the file to read-only to avoid accidental in-game overwrites. Make sure console commands use correct CS2 names. Once saved, they'll apply the next time you launch the game. You should launch CS2 with the console enabled and run exec AutoExec CFG to force load your config. This verifies the file is read. Then test binds, sensitivity, and crosshair in a local match or practice map to confirm behavior. If commands don't apply, check that the CFG is in the correct folder, that file permissions aren't blocking reads, and that Steam Cloud is off so it doesn't replace your copy. One quick troubleshooting tip: rename conflicting config files temporarily to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.